Okay, I'm gonna go this way, and there's like a monument. It's called the Democracy Monument. So let's check it out. They have like an ATM money exchange thing that's like in a truck. Only in Bangkok or only in Thailand that I've seen that. Look at that. There's the Democracy Monument. So I need to turn right to go to Chinatown. So I'm going to make a right here. But I think I'm going to take a photo first. Look at that. What do you think? Even better here. Wow, look at that. That's perfect. It's a perfect spot. Wow. Wait, why is it? There you go. Okay, I'm out here at the Wat Suthat Temple with the giant swing right there. Right there, that's the giant swing. How do I cross? I mean, I'm not gonna go to the swing. Oh, look at this. Oh, wow. Okay, I'll cross this way. And one more view of the temple with the giant swing. Which street do I take? Look at that, isn't that cool? There's the Buddha. Okay, I'm almost there. Because I'm walking from Khao San Road to the nearest MRT station. And it's a 2-kilometer walk. But at least I got like really nice views on my walk. Okay, look. Look at that. Looks like a bonsai tree. That's cool. Oh wow. Look at that. I'm glad I walked on this side.